Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes. I hope that everybody's doing alright today. It is November 3rd. It is my birth month. I hope everybody's doing alright. I'm King David. Pre-market and crypto live. Quick snapshot. Futures are up, shut down, still on, and a big earnings week. We'll keep it super simple. What moved, why it matters, what to watch. If this helps you in the mornings, subscribe now so you don't miss the open. Yes, sir. And check out my videos, bro. I do vlogs, I do music, I do market reviews, and much more, bro. I just have fun in this channel, I'm gonna be very honest. And if you like gaming, follow me on King David, bro. King David, that's it. King David, just like this. Y si quieres que hable en español, también puedo hablar español. I can speak Spanish only if you want to, so let me know in the comment section. Usually the stock market news I get it in English, and that's why I talk in English. But anyways, let's get it, bro. Drop your CD and one ticker coin. I'll add it to the board, guys. We'll tour the stock market heat map and crypto bubbles and explain everything in plain English, okay? The agenda, futures, snapshot, shutdown context, this week's earning, Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple headlines, Beyond Meat delay, strategy, MicroStrategy buys Bitcoin, REC rare earth deals, and your tickers. If you choose to support with a super chat or become a member, I'll instantly charge your ticker and pin a 10-second takeaway. No pressure, hang out and learn with us. Let's go. But anyways, as of 4:13 a.m., dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes, S&P up 0.37%, Nasdaq 0.5%, and the Dow 0.13%. Yields: 2-year 3.59%, 5-year 3.70%, 10-year 4.09%, and 30-year 4.66%. Commodities: gold 4,022. We're back up. Oh, espérate, I want to take a look at gold. Remember last Friday somebody said something about gold, and I want to check it out. So let's do it. Trading view. Oh, this is the stock market heat map and trading view. So yeah, let's take a quick peek at the stock market heat map. We can see we're a little bit in the Christmas era. Yes, a lot of green, a lot of gray, and a lot of red. So very, very mixed. But let's go to gold. Gold is at 4,012. You can see we're still in the consolidation zone, my bros. We haven't broken out, so I'm waiting either up or down. There's great opportunities here. Either way will be a great direction, but I kind of see it consolidating, so I can't speak more than that. Once it breaks either up or down, we will have a definite definition of direction. But anyways, silver 48.9 and oil, let's see where oil is at today. 60.95. Oil is actually looking like we're consolidating as well. Yeah, we're in a double bottom area. Let's see what happens here as well, bro. This seems like a double bottom, so I'm very, very cautious about it. Be very cautious with oil. But anyways, continuing over here, shutdown day 34, guys. Likely to be the longest if it passes tomorrow night. Prediction markets: odds point to an end near Black Friday, November 28. With official data paused, traders may overreact to surveys, PMI, ISM, ADP, even though surveys can be noisy. Earnings this week, my friends: chips and AI infra. AMD, yes sir, AMD. Let's take a quick look at AMD. 256.12 was last Friday's close, and we are today pre-market 259.32, getting to 300s. Very, very close to that, guys. Shout outs to everybody who have invested in AMD, making good noise. Please bro, what? Welcome KTM. How you doing, my bro? Good morning. I hope that you're doing good. Don't forget to like the live stream, bros. AMD. The other one, Qualcomm, SMCI, Palantir, and TTD. Let's take a look at Palantir real quick. 200.47 was Last Friday's close, and today we're at 204. Oh, the market has opened. SMCI 52.61. Oh, bro, SMCI is actually looking good too. And on healthcare, PFE, Pfizer, Moderna, consumer travel ups, McDonald's, Airbnb, and Uber, and quick framing, semis, AI will set the tone for tech, health names, move on guidance, travel apps tell us about consumer demand. So we have a good perspective there. Big single name headlines, guys. Nvidia, let's go for it. Nvidia this morning is at 205.5. Look at that, bro. Nvidia reaching our targets, cleaning up the targets, and we got some more. Loop Capital at 250 and Cantor at 300s. President says top Blackwell chips should be US only, less powerful versions possible abroad. Nvidia sentiment, new street high. Loop Capital, guys, $350. So not 250 anymore. We gotta change it to 350, guys. There you go. Nvidia. That's why I started adding more Nvidia to my portfolio, bro. Even though it did go up, still adding, bro. Nvidia is a big powerhouse right now. It's crazy. AI is where it is, bro. Microsoft MSFT 520.50s. We got that double top. I'm being very cautious with it. Wherever it drops, I may get in once again. But it says over here 15.2 billion through 2021 plus export license to ship advanced AI GPUs, including GB300 equivalents. One of my favorite companies to invest in, Apple, 270.62. Bro, all-time highs was at 277, so we are going back. I really think Apple can go higher, but the news is iPhone 17 lead times were still elevated versus last year, so then the demand and supply is something to watch into holiday. Okay, guys. Beyond Meat, the meme. I'm actually gonna take a look at it because I used to invest in Beyond Meat. I actually used Beyond Meat for so long, bro. BYND 1.52. Shout out to our friend who invested and made some good profits out of it and got out before the dump, because this was a pump and dump, bro. Delaying Q3 to assess a material impairment. Stock, as you can see, is not doing well. MicroStrategy, guys, MSTR. I've been investing in MicroStrategy every week. Every week I've been adding to MicroStrategy. I'm sorry, bro. I had to do it. I'm still doing it, even though if it's down. MicroStrategy still down, 264.95, and I still think that it can go lower, 179. And if Bitcoin keeps going down, then something to keep an eye on, bro. Maybe even 180s could happen. Who knows, bro? We are in a getting into a tough zone, so we definitely gotta keep an eye on the price. But what happened with MicroStrategy? They bought 397 Bitcoins last week. Average price noted. Total holdings now 641,205 Bitcoin. These guys have too much Bitcoin already, bro. And AREC re-element Vulcan 1.4 billion partnership tied to rare earth magnets for a domestic supply chain, guys. So that's being a talk from the macroeconomic perspective. And US and China. Plus today's calendar, US to suspend port fees for a year on China-linked vessels starting November 10th. Wow. A few days before my birthday. I think my birthday is going to be the best day on the market, guys. A small de-escalation signal. Today, during market, PMI final and ISM manufacturing releases. Be very careful with those numbers because they do move the market. Okay, so if you want to know more information or want to have a full macroeconomic news, go to forexfactory.com, guys. Go to calendar and you'll find some news here. You can see ISM manufacturing PMI coming out at 9 a.m. and we even got large total vehicle sales, FOMC member daily speaking, FOMC member Cook speaking, loan officer survey, And we got some more news on Wednesday. Red folder, ADP non-farm employment change, INSM services PMI. And on Friday, we should be getting the NFP, bro. But obviously, let's see what happens with the freaking government shutdown. And going back over here to the DXY, bro, the DXY is going up as I expected. Look at that, bro. All of this move, I was waiting for it. I'm waiting for one more pullback so I can get in, because look at Euro USD going down nasty, bro. Euro USD is gonna head down, bro. Oh my God, David. I totally missed this great. I mean, I'm not missing anything, honestly. It's still happening. I'm gonna be waiting for a pullback, and whenever that pullback comes in, I may get in on a sell, shorting the euro, bro. The euro is already going down. GBP USD as expected as well, bro. Double top. It reached a very tough zone on the monthly. Over here, boom, the monthly, boom. You can see we were very rich on the last month, and now we're gonna be heading down, bro. We're gonna be heading down. I see the euro USD heading to this area. 1.26. Maybe too crazy. It may be too crazy. No, that's too crazy, bro. Okay, I see the 50 EMA here. Yep, the 50 EMA should be the first stop, about 1.29. Crazy. And the USD JPY to the upside. Look at that immense bullish engulfing candle. Oh my God. Whatever pullback it has, bro, draw opportunities, bro. Draw opportunities. Clean this a little bit. Cleaning the charts a little bit. Yeah, bro, this was a very good zone, and he broke out of that trend line. Oh my God, this is doing well. The dollar is doing good, bro. Dollar is good. Look at this. Look at the DXY, bro. I was waiting for weeks and months on that. You like my stream? Thank you, bro. Welcome. But what do you want, bro? KTM. I appreciate it, bro. Thank you for stopping by, bro. And finally, guys, let's check out over here the heat maps and crypto bubbles before I say goodbye. So the heat map, we're a little bit red. Ooh, red all over the place. No. Health technology, yeah. Consumer services, utilities, process, commodities, industries. Oh yes, there's a lot of red. The green, Amazon, Tesla, LRCX. Wow, there's a lot of red today, bro. Nvidia is actually up. Palantir is up. APP is up. Micron is up. And crypto bubbles, let's take a look at that. It's because of the dollar. The dollar is getting strong, bro. And let's see the bubbles. Yep, super red. Dollar is up. Everything else is down. Let me check out some other companies I want to review. Rivian is actually at 13.47. Ooh, okay. Let's see, Palantir 205. We're doing good. Wow, Palantir 205, bro. Very nice. Very nice. NIO 743. Yes, sir. We're still continuing with the momentum. Let's see what happens on the 200 EMA. Maybe some people are gonna take some profits. TeraWolf. Oh, 16.2, bro. Wow, we're doing great. We're doing great over here, my friends. 16.2. We actually got in at 50 cents, bro. It's kind of crazy. The entry we got, bro. We already up about 2,000%, and it still looks to me like we're gonna go up. I haven't done any videos about it, but it says over here, Brainhole Technology says buys 14,700 Nebius shares for about 1.9 million. Disposes of 126,000 TeraWolf shares for about 1.9 million. Oh, so they sold and they bought. Interesting. TeraWolf announces closing of 1.025 billion 0% convertible notes. And we are, $16. Wow. SCNS still down 708. 708 for SCNS. Not great day for them. Not a great day. Not a great day. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin before I go, guys. Oh, Clean Spark 18.3. That resistance. It was the resistance. Oh no. That resistance didn't let it go, bro. If Bitcoin goes up, props to it. Nokia 7.10. Let's go. Let's go, Nokia. I see, you know. Oh, way above the 200 EMA, but I don't know. I think that it needs a little bit of a pullback. And my Omi homies. See what we got over here. 0.000127. Ah, no. Omi. What are you doing to this, Omi? I don't like that, Omi. You were doing so good. And let's see what else we got. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. I haven't looked at Bitcoin today, so 107,742. Strong zone. Ooh, but it looks to me like a head and shoulders. Ooh, no, bro. This may go down. Ooh, Bitcoin. It's gonna give me a discount on my birthday? Oof, maybe. A discounted Bitcoin for my birthday is the best. Can it go to 16,000 again, guys? So I can buy more? I would love to see Bitcoin 16,000, bro. Looks to me like a head and shoulders, man. It's not looking good. We gotta go back to the trend line here, bro. Ooh, no. Let me clean this chart, bro. Let me go ahead and already broke the support there. I think. Delete this. Okay, now it looks better. Yep, there you go. This is what I'm waiting now. Waiting for that trend line break. If it breaks, we can go up. But we got this major one that we're waiting to see what will happen when we reach. Okay, Ethereum 3,700s. Not looking good. Ooh, actually it doesn't have a wick on the bottom. Okay, this is actually not bad. Oh, that head and shoulders. It looks like he has a head and shoulders. Ooh, I want to keep an eye on it, bro. It's looking interesting. XRP 241. Ooh, it's on a. Oh my god, look at Cardano, 57 cents. Oh, bro, this looks so bearish. It's nasty. Oh my god, look at Solana, bro, 175. Solana may dump. If Solana dumps, bro, I'm gonna buy a lot of it. If Solana dumps, I'm gonna buy. Oh, crypto is doing very bad. Very bad. Good things say stock market, bro. Stock market and the dollar. Nokia is doing good, 3.3%. Nvidia is 208. We're doing good there. Amazon is at 256. Tesla 461. Oh, Tesla is about to break the resistance. Okay. Let's see. I wanted to take a look at Uber, 97.95. Okay. Bank of America has a target of 115, so we're getting there. Lyft, bro, this is the one that I've been calling out for months already, and I think Lyft may grow, bro. I think Lyft will grow pretty nicely, bro. If it does dump, it's a drop opportunity for me, my perspective. And let's see what else. Riot Blockchain 2103. Interesting. Riot Blockchain 2103. Bro, if crypto gets back on its. No, we are resistant. If crypto goes back up, Riot Blockchain is gonna go up. Just like Mara, let's see, Mara Holdings, 1817. Yeah, this one looks pretty funky. NIO 741. Let's go ahead and look at the weekly. Ooh, NIO doing good. Ooh, TerraWolf just went down from 16 to 15. Oh, it's a tough area. But But anyways, that's what I wanted to review. Let me see my close-up notes here. So the recap goes like this: slightly green futures, but as you already saw, guys, like the stock market heat map is more red than anything. Okay, shutdown risk still front page. You already know that. Big earnings ahead, AI chips in focus, and a few stock specific wildcards beyond AREC. If these made pre-market easier, subscribe and share, guys. Music and links are in the description. Billonario reached 1 million views, so thank you very much, guys, for that amazing support, bro. I really do love it. And guys, you already know we do the videos con mucho amor, and as always, have a beautiful day. Let's go.